Okay guys, it's been a year in the making, so I thought I would share this moment with you. Our cookbooks are finally here. Okay. All right. Oh, lots of bubble wrap. Okay, so it looks like we got 12. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh wow. So there's parts that are like slick and parts that are smooth. Wow. We have our first cookbook. We have our first cookbook. Oh my gosh. This is so cool, guys. So what this means, we got our copies. So this means that they're in the warehouse getting ready for distribution. So hopefully you guys will be getting yours soon. And if you haven't already pre-ordered your book, go on Amazon and order yourself a book. It's got over 100 recipes of ours in it. It's got our story of, our food journey throughout our life, both Jeff's and mine. And how we started the show. And it's got all of our amazing recipes in there with big full, every recipe has a photo. And every recipe also has a QR code in the corner that is a link to our website where you can watch the video and cook along. So if you get stuck, you have all the help right there. Every recipe has a video. So exciting. I can't wait till you get your book and you can see this. We are so proud and we owe it all to you guys because the publisher reached out to us. I think they recognized our channel and asked us if we wanted to do a cookbook. So there it is. Yay us! Go and get one.